some of the monsters though. Just saying. Okay, so it's in different order from the program, but we're gonna go from start to finish. So our first judge, Kumuhula Kaleka Apunimana Camp Brighter, also known as Auntie Harmony. This is Auntie Harmony. Show her love. So we had leis that were, wait, where is it? Martha's Lei Stand at the Honolulu International Airport. Ladies for all occasions, 808-836-2833. Our founder and Empress went to go pick it up and they were closed. You love it. Jane. So we're no longer going to buy from Auntie Martha's Lei Stand. So Vinva knows a reliable vendor for leis for next year. So we can give leis for a fabulous panel of judges. We just found out. We just found out. Stop. Okay, so that was Auntie Harmony, love for me. Yes, I'm ripping. Oh, that's right, you're not in here because you're Queen Mother of all Hawaii. Please stand. This is Queen Mother of all Hawaii. This is Miss Sophia Lei. She said, move on. This is my brother Monoiki. Monoiki, please stand. So, you guys all got one of these, right? So every year in every pageant, I always tell them, give me the bio sheets that is bigger than size 2 font. I'm not reading this. So please read up on them because these are extremely talented people. Mona Iki and all of our judges have so much accolades. They're so talented. They do so much for everybody. But I cannot read this because I'm trying to save my eyesight. For real. Our next judge, my tita, this is Tihani Gonzalo. This is a Miss Oahu 2000. Tihani Gonzalo. Blonde and beautiful, blushing, bashful. I love it. She's sitting. Bashful. Okay, take that back. Not bashful. Bashing. Bashing. Yes. And of course, Uncle Bill Char. We all know and love Uncle Bill Char. Put your hands together for Uncle Bill. Love this man. So read your books and you'll understand why I said earlier that this panel is a strong one. But good Lord. Yeah. I would already be a nervous wreck if I was a contestant if I came out and saw this